doon mga bata. Eto na talaga, maglaro tayo ng... Eto na. Time to plunge. Time to plunge into tic-tac-drop. Here, you'll need all the right moves to go toe-to-toe against your foe. First things first, you gotta know what you're in for. Check out these rules. Well, these rules are very easy. And I'm challenging Yassi again, or Lisa, or Francesca. Got that? So now let's put you both to the test. It's time to play tic-tac-drop.
Tick-tock, stop the clock. Did you all get that? Like tic-tac-toe, up in a spin.
Oh yes, and with a weakness too. You make only a mark by winning, and then by dropping. Now let's play. So you both got your game faces on, so now let's dive into a minigame. Eto na talaga, magkaroon na tayo ng duel minigame kung saan talaga panalo. Pwisit, ayoko talaga to.
Ay, Rafi, kung sana dapat matalo ka na.
Ay, nako. Bala ka yung diskarte mo, ate. Saling. Lifer, wag doon sa gitna ha. Alam ko talaga, malas talaga yung gitna. Ayan, yun yung gusto ko. At dahil dyan, waling. Try mo dito kaya. Sana maganda to. Sana maganda. Waling pa rin. Try mo dito sa banda muna. Uy, bakit ginagaya mo ako? Tarantado kayo. Swabe! Talo ka, Lifer! Dahil dyan, nanalo na ako, mga bobo ka. Ang panalo ay walang iba, kundi si ako! Now you get the drop a ball onto the board, Rafi. Dito ako sa kaliwa.
You get tic-tac tips. Jump away.
Eto na! Lakay mo na yung bola, mga bobo kayo. Now let's move on to our next game. Eto na kaya, spin the wheel. Balita na kayo laro, sana dapat mabilis. Uy, mabilis lang to. Pwede na ako magpahinga. Yan. Ang panalo ay si Rafi. Ulit. Yan. Dito ako sa gitna. Ito na. Break. One last game to do it. Ito na talaga yung panghuling laro. Sana dapat maiksi lang to. Uy, mabilis lang talaga to. That game is so easy. At dahil dyan, ito na. And our winner is Rafi again. Now you get to drop a ball onto the board, Rafi. Choose your drop slot.
Great job, Rafi. You get tic-tac tips. Jump away, jump away.
Tara ka, Yasi. Talo ka na.
Whoopee! 3 in a row. 3. Choice.
I wonder how did he say it in French again? Tres, toy, tre. Oh yeah, that's tres. Tre, toy. I forgot. Absolutely, we have a winning trio. And as a hat trick, as they say, then one of you guys is the victor. And that's Rafi! Congratulations, well played. Yeah, I'll always be the winner, and forever that'll always be.
Rafi, you know what? I'm really so disappointed because
You're always a winner! Well, I'll give you a chance to win someday. Just wait till your next move. Next time, everybody. Bye!